Welcome back. This is your old pal Hondo doing doing a chainsaw review on a brand new chainsaw that I just purchased. I used to have the 535 Husqvarna 18-inch bar back in the old days. It was a great chainsaw, so I opted to buy the 440 E-Class series of chainsaw. We're going to unbox it and show you what's in the box. Hey folks, this is the unit out of the box. It has a 050 gauge 325 pitch chain. It has the 18-inch bar. It has a nice brake on it, kickback bar. It has the oil reservoir that has these little latches right here that open out instead of the old screw types, which is very convenient. This is the oil reservoir, and this here is the fuel reservoir. This is a 49 cc chainsaw. It's also a 2.5 horsepower motor. Weighs about 9 pounds 5 ounces. Comes with a scrunch tool right here in the bag. Comes with a scrunch tool right here in the bag, which you use to take the spark plug off right here, and it has for the nut to take the blade off if you need to maintenance it. Comes with an owner's manual, and comes with some pre-mixed fuel stuff like the XP Husqvarna 501 fuel mix. That is what you have to run in this, is 501 fuel mix. If you try to run 401 fuel mix in this, you'll ruin the machine. It has easy access to the engine by taking the scrunch tool, and you can just open up these little latches, two on this side and one on this side here, right here, and then the engine mount comes right, the little plastic engine mount comes right off like that. As you can see, it has the air filter here, carburetor underneath it, spark plug, piston. This unit is made in Sweden. It's a Swedish-made chainsaw. Okay, we put the latches back on it, and right here is the pull starter. It has the easy start system. This is the E-Series X-Torq. It has a year manufacturer's warranty to any Husqvarna dealer. They run about $299. Has a choke right here in the back. You have to pull it up like that to choke it. Right here in the back, the little red switch. Right here, when you pull it up like that, that's the choke. And when you push it down, it stops the motor. One thing I don't like about Husqvarna brand chainsaws is the bars. So if I was y'all, I'd recommend y'all to get a organ bar or a forestry bar or anything. Replace this bar. These bars suck, so do the chains. A custom made chain and bar. Just get a nice organ speed cut bar or something like that. It does have a little spot right here on the end of the bar for an oiler. You have to oil that the bearings in the tip here, and right here is the on the side here has a nice metal construction right here. Blade plate, which you take your scrunch tool and you can unloosen it to tighten tighten the blade, or to loosen the blade up if you need to. I'll do another video on that, how to replace the blade on these. It also has some really nice log dogs right here that stick into a log, and you can push it deep. It is a nice unit. I like it. We're going to test it out. I'll show you what it's capable of doing. Like I said, I recommend y'all to take these stupid Husqvarna bars and chains off. They have the stupid safety linkage in the chains, which causes them to skip off the bar. It's for safety reasons, so the chain won't come back and hit you in the head or in the hands or anything like that. I like it. I like it first impression thoughts, but we're going to test it out and show you what it's capable of. And I hope you like the unboxing and review on the Husqvarna 440 X-Torq E-Series chainsaws. Now, timber! Perfect! Woo! That one's gonna lean, dude. Alright. Yeah, just cut it partially through. You can pull that out. There you go. Chain loose. Just cut it straight from behind. It'll fall straight down right there, man. It'll be good. See what I mean? It fell fine. It's good. Oh! Pull back. Push it forward. There you go. You're good. There you go. That's how it's done, folks, with the Husqvarna 440 E 18-inch diameter chainsaw. testing on the Husqvarna E-Series 440 40cc 18-inch bar chainsaw. It will work, and it does not suck if you know how to adjust the high to low screw on this within 6 hours worth of braking time. Folks, I hope y'all like the video on the E-Series X-Torq 440 40cc chainsaw. If you do, give me a like and subscribe. This is just a first impressions test. We'll get back to you within a year of using this and tell you what we think about it, which we all know Husqvarna is the best. Take it easy, folks. It's been your old pal from Hillbilly Technical, Andrew Hondo. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.